Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on Android 13 or higher. So if you no longer use an app on your phone and you want to uninstall them on your device, you want to remove them from your device to save up some space for other apps that more useful for you, you can do these steps right here. So there are a few methods that you can do. The first one and the easiest one is that you can do it on the home screen. You can do so by finding the apps that you want to uninstall. For example, in here I'm going to uninstall these apps right here. You can just long press on the apps in here on the home screen until they show up. Then you can just tap on uninstall, or you can click on this trash icon and there will be this pop-up question, uninstall the app. If you are confirmed, you can just tap on uninstall. So just like that, the apps will be removed and uninstalled from your device. That's the easiest way. And the second way that you can do is by going to the settings on your device. Here, after you open the phone settings, you can just scroll down until you find these apps option. So you can go to the app settings in here, and then you can click on see all to see all of the apps on your device, and then just find the apps that you want to uninstall. So for example, here I want to uninstall this apps right here. You can just click on this app, and here you'll see there will be this option uninstall. You can click on that, and here you can see there will be this question again, do you want to uninstall this app? Now if you are confirmed, you can just tap on OK. So now it's uninstalling. You can see that the apps after that will no longer be on your device. So the last method that you can do, you can use the Google Play Store. You can click on this Play Store apps on your phone, click on search, or just go to manage. You can click on your photo and go to the manage and apps and device, tap on the manage tab. Here find the apps that you want to uninstall. For example, I want to uninstall let's find an app here. This one, for example, Snapchat. You can just click on it, and here you can see uninstall, so you can just tap on that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.